logging a call, visit, or sample in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to record every account touch, set a follow-up, and drop it into the account timeline so your next visit is smarter. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM Activity from your dashboard. Every time you talk to an account, a call, a visit, dropping off a sample, or just a quick note, log it here so there's a record. Click Log Activity, then pick the type, call, visit, sample, or note. Fill in what happened, who you spoke with, what was discussed, and any follow-up needed. Left samples, note which products and how many. If someone needs to follow up on this later, set a follow-up date, and I'll put it on that person's My Day when it's due. Click Save, and I'll drop the activity into that account's timeline immediately, alongside everything else that's happened with them. This history is what makes your next visit smarter. Scroll the timeline before you walk in, and you'll know exactly what was said last time.